The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to the channel, welcome to the new video today. Today we're doing Binance Coin because I know a lot of you guys has FOMO'd into this. I know a lot of you people are thinking what's happening next, why did it stop, and what's our next levels, are we going down, are we not? So we're gonna check that and we're gonna see what's happening. So let's get into the charts, make my face smaller, charts bigger as always, because why not? So before we start, we were over here before the move, right? Let me zoom into this. I don't think you can see this. So we are here on the move. There was some kind of triangle former over here, and then we exploded all the way up to 370, something like that. This move over here was actually really nice, and I just saw this now, but I think it's interesting. If you zoom out, like you always should do before you start charting, right? If you zoom out and you just make few decent lines, I think wait, this one goes like over there, over there. You can see these stops over here, and these stops, some of these stops over here create this top, right? And if you use that as resistance, then you can use this one over here as support. It's really nice, man. It's really nice. So you can see that price went all the way up, resistance, down, support, up, resistance, down, support, broke the support, test as resistance, and here it went above the resistance over here to the next resistance, and then it was trading inside the resistance. You can see it here clearly, up to resistance, down to the support, and it was trading in this range for a while, and this was forming some kind of triangle, right? The triangle went something like this. It was pushing the price into a corner, and once it came into a corner, this isn't that accurate, but once it came into a corner, it just pumped severely all the way up to 347. So now comes the question: how do you know that it's gonna pump to 347? Like, price discovery after all-time high is very difficult. So there are a few ways you can use the you can use the bull flag, you can use the pull on the bull flag, you can use the distance on the triangle and stuff like that, but very common method to do obviously is Fibonacci. Now I said before and say it again, I don't like using Fibonacci, but when there are no other ways to predict something, you go and start charting by the stars and the moons and you know, astrology and all of that stuff when you're out of the ideas, you know. So I checked the Fibonacci's, and they are quite nice. They actually confirm everything that should be confirmed, that Fibonacci using for actually extracting the price above all-time high is actually decent. So let's use Fibonacci over here. This was some kind of lows over here, this some kind of highs. So we're gonna start over here, down here, and we're gonna use the extension all the way to this point over here, down here, and we're gonna see what's happening right now here. So from the price, bottom of the price, we got the 1.6, 2, 2, 6, 3, and 3, 6, and those are our targets that we should be looking for. Those are the most common targets for trading to look at. So we're gonna go in small time frames. Let's look at this on 1 hour. You can see what's happening here. Let me just move this. Can I move this one? No, which one can I move? Which one can I move? This one. Yeah, it doesn't matter. So let's do it like this so you can see it. Okay, so you can see the levels over here. That's nice. So the price went up to the 1.6, it tested the 1.6, went up to the 2, tried to break 2, tried to break 2, broke 2, went all the way up to 2.6, broke the 2.6 all the way up to 3, retested 2.6, and then broke the 2, broke the 3 all the way up 3.6, and even higher up. I don't know how hard it is. Maybe this is 4. Maybe this is 4. I don't know. It went all the way up there, tried to establish itself above 3.6, and then went down to the 3. So what I'm thinking right now is this is going to hold. I don't think we're gonna get a big correction right now over here. This is going to hold, and but just looking at the extension on the Fibonacci is quite nice, because you can actually see how the price was moving. It first went to the first extension level, try to test that, see what's going on there. Then came the moving average and started picking up the price. on the 10, I think, yeah, on the 10, picking up the price and pushing it forward all the way until it got broken, and now we are there where we are right now. So Fibonacci extension in combination with moving averages and some other indicators might help you establish rates. So this is where we are now. We went all up to 3.6 on Fibonacci. We are retraced down back to the 3. So that's from the bottom to the 3, 135% up at least on the from the bottom. So that's quite nice. So now comes question, where are we going next? Now I want, before we go to there, I want to show you this chart over here. This is of course coin market cap from CoinGecko, right? And you can see that Binance Coin has 56 billion market cap, while Ethereum has 231. So Binance Coin can technically go up 4 times in price and still be number 3, right? So 4 times I still be number 3, and now you can argue is Binance Coin and Binance Chain, because you see all these 3, Ethereum, sorry, I wasn't meant to click that, Ethereum, Binance Coin and Polkadot, they're all changed, big chains, right? And people are saying that Polkadot is gonna take over for Ethereum, and now comes Binance Chain. So I think Ethereum is getting a lot of pressure on it, but Ethereum is still the biggest. I think it's still gonna be the biggest, but right now it can go like 4 times the price and still be less than Ethereum. So this has certainly more way up to go. I don't think this is gonna fall down anytime soon. As you can see, Bitcoin number 1, Ethereum, Binance Coin, and Polkadot number 2, 3, and 4, right? So you know what people are looking for, for in this space right now. So we're gonna see this move. We're gonna measure from this move over here. We're gonna do Fibonacci levels again, and we're gonna see how much higher this can go. First, we have to make some assumption. The first assumption is this level over here is the bottom. The next assumption is this level over here is the top, and third assumption is this level over here is the is our retracement level. So we're gonna use this to actually extend our line, and we're gonna see what we get over here. The same thing we did on the first run, this the second run. So start to extension 1, and now these are the levels we get on the way up. So it can stop on all of these levels, right? As you can, so it goes up the first level, test it, it goes up second level, test it, and so forth, right? And the same thing is gonna be here. It's gonna go up from this level over here all the way to the 1.6. That's at let's put these lines over here so you can so you can see the numbers actually on them, so I don't have to click it like this, click it, and the last one, let's put the last one as well. So these are all the levels. 317, can you see this? Yeah, the 379, the 440, 536, 595, 693. So how far is this gonna go? It can go all the way to 3.6, just like it did here, or the same type of move it did right now in one go, like it did here. I'm calling this one go, you know, one go, because as I just showed you, it can do 4x before it catches up with Ethereum. And number 2, 3, and 4 on the CoinGecko are the chains, and Binance got now Binance chains, Polkadot, you know, Polkadot and Ethereum, big chain. So it can go, but the first target is of course 379. It almost hit 379, but I'm gonna call it, I'm gonna say it's not gonna stop on only 379 when it start going up. Maybe 440, but these are the levels that you should be watching for. So for you guys that FOMO'd in, don't worry, it will go higher. I hope you didn't buy here, because now you got that pain period. I always call it pain period, because when you buy high and it retraces, now you have to wait to get to the new all-time high, and that's the pain period, because you get insecure. Did I buy right? Did I not buy right? And all that kind of stuff. Now it's your turn to subscribe to the channel and like the video, because I gave you something, you give me something. There's no free lunch here in this world, except on Pompaliano show, but there's no free lunch. You give me something, I give you something. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Maybe another video later today, but I thought I should do this video on Binance, because I know a lot of you are like, what's happening now? Thanks for watching. See you later or tomorrow or something like that. Bye bye.